Have you ever complained that there just aren't enough hours in the day? Well, what if I told you that you could have a day that lasts for months, or one that's over in just a few hours? Welcome to the wild, weird, and wonderful world of planetary rotations. Today, we're going on a cosmic journey across our solar system to discover just how long a day is on each of our celestial neighbors. Buckle up, because things are about to get strange. Let's start right here at home, Earth. We're all familiar with our 24-hour cycle of day and night. This rotation is what gives us our rhythm of life, our sunrises and sunsets. It feels perfectly normal to us, but as we're about to see, our 24-hour day is actually pretty unique in the grand scheme of the solar system. Our first stop is the planet closest to the Sun, Mercury. You might think that being so close to the Sun would mean it spins incredibly fast, but the opposite is true. Mercury is a slow spinner, thanks to the immense gravitational pull of the Sun. A single day on Mercury, from one sunrise to the next, lasts a staggering 176 Earth days. Can you imagine a morning that lasts for nearly 3 months, followed by an equally long night? During its long day, surface temperatures can soar to over 400 degrees Celsius, and during the long night they plummet to minus 180. It's a world of extreme temperatures, all because of its incredibly long day. Next up, Venus, often called Earth's sister planet because of its similar size. Venus is anything but sisterly when it comes to its rotation. It has the longest day of any planet in our solar system. Get this, a single day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days. What is even stranger is that a year on Venus, the time it takes to orbit the Sun, is only 225 Earth days. That's right, a day on Venus is longer than its year. To make things even more bizarre, Venus spins backward, a phenomenon known as retrograde rotation. This means if you could stand on its surface, you'd see the Sun rise in the west and set in the east. Leaving the inner planets, we arrive at Mars, the red planet. Mars is perhaps the most Earth-like when it comes to the length of its day. A Martian day, called a sol, is just a little bit longer than ours, lasting about 24 hours and 37 minutes. This similarity is one of the many reasons why scientists are so fascinated with Mars. The familiar day-night cycle makes it a more plausible candidate for future human exploration. Imagine waking up on Mars and your clock is only slightly off from your Earth-based habits. Pretty cool, right? Now we venture into the realm of the gas giants, starting with the king of planets, Jupiter. Jupiter is a behemoth, more than twice as massive as all the other planets combined. You'd think something so huge would spin slowly, but Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. It whips around on its axis in just under 10 Earth hours. This rapid rotation creates powerful jet streams and contributes to the planet's iconic bands and swirls, including the Great Red Spot. A day on Jupiter is all rush hour. You'd barely have time for a full workday and a good night's sleep before a new day begins. Right next door is the majestic ringed planet Saturn. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant that spins incredibly fast. Its day is also very short, clocking in at about 10 hours and 33 minutes. For years, scientists struggled to get an exact measurement because Saturn's magnetic field and its rotation were perfectly aligned, unlike Jupiter's. But thanks to data from the Cassini spacecraft, which studied the gravitational wobbles in Saturn's rings, we now have a much more precise figure. This rapid spin causes Saturn to bulge at its equator and flatten at its poles, making it the most oblate or squashed planet in our solar system. Continuing our journey outward, we reach the ice giants. First is Uranus, the planet that's literally rolling through space on its side. Uranus is tilted at an extreme angle of about 98 degrees. This means it essentially orbits the Sun on its side. Because of this bizarre tilt, a day on Uranus is tricky to define in the same way. Its rotational period is about 17 hours and 14 minutes. However, its extreme axial tilt results in the most extreme seasons in the solar system. One pole faces the Sun continuously for 42 Earth years, while the other is plunged into a 42-year-long dark winter. Imagine a day that lasts half a lifetime. Our final stop is the most distant planet, Neptune. This deep blue ice giant is another fast spinner. A day on Neptune passes in just a little over 16 Earth hours. Despite being so far from the Sun and receiving very little energy, Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour. Scientists believe this rapid rotation helps drive these incredibly powerful winds, creating a dynamic and stormy atmosphere. It's a turbulent world where the days fly by in a blur of wind and cold. So there you have it, a tour of the solar system's diverse day lengths. From Venus's day that's longer than its year to Jupiter's frantic 10-hour spin, each planet tells a unique story through its rotation. It really puts our own 24-hour day into perspective, doesn't it? Our familiar cycle of sunrise and sunset is just one of many cosmic rhythms playing out across our solar neighborhood. So next time you wish for more hours in the day, just remember, you could be on Venus, where the sun wouldn't set for months. Thanks so much for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed this journey through space and time, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next exploration. What cosmic mystery should we unravel next? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.